Hi, my name is Michelle Rosh, and I am a new school counselor at Bellry for kindergarten and first grade. I'm so excited to meet all of you. I'm here for all of the children if they need to talk, if they're sad, happy, mad, angry, anything they need. I'm here to help in any way that I can. We'll be sending out monthly guidance lessons as well as working with teachers, parents, and kids. You can contact me at Michelle or m.rosh, R-O-S-C-H, at parkwayschools.net or 314-415-6057. And I can't wait to meet you soon.
And I'm Amanda Claire. I'm the other counselor here in the building. I typically work with second grade through fifth grade, but I get to work with kindergarten and first as well. I've been here this is my 7th year, and I'm very, very excited to work with each and every one of you. We are continuing to learn as the year grows. Feel free to call and or email if needed. My phone number in the office is 314-415-6058, or you can email me at aclair, C-L-A-I-R, at parkwayschools.net. I hope you all have an amazing school year, and we will talk soon.